Hi there, it's Betsy-Morgan. Wonderful to be with you. You know, a question that has been asked to me by many of my students and occasionally some new clients is, how in the world did you become psychic and how'd you start your business? I want you to know that I've always been interested in being psychic, but never did I think I could be. That was beyond my wildest imagination. Couldn't see myself doing that. And then one day, when I was giving a healing treatment called a Reiki, a voice started talking out loud in my head. I realized later that I had been preparing step by step for that introduction to my guide, Orion. So I'm wanting to share with you basically that whatever path your life is on right now, even though you may be criticizing whatever is happening, I want to reassure you that these are steps in your favor towards bringing you to your true life purpose. You are learning step by step. I didn't know at the time that becoming a teacher in college was what I was meant to do. I taught home economics in high school, but my real gift was to teach how to be a psychic, how to talk to your angels, and even how to teach you how to teach others how to be psychic. It's all about your true higher nature for me. But my purpose here today is to just let you know that no matter how wonderful or difficult your current life path is, it's your path. It's your path to your purpose. It's leading you to being prepared for that moment when it opens up and your guide or your higher self says, this is it. This is what you were born for. I assure you, and I promise you, you are on your path. So have fun with it. And your guides are close at hand. How did I start talking to my guide? I just wanted it. So whatever it is you want, keep wanting it. Don't defeat yourself with negative self-talk. Let yourself love who you are, love what you want, and accept that it is a possibility. And your gift will become apparent to you someday, real soon.